In this video, I'm going to show you how to plant seeds in Grow a Garden Roblox Mobile. So the first thing you guys want to do is you want to go ahead and get some seeds for you guys to plant. And to do that, all you want to do is you want to press over here where it says seeds. Then it is going to take you to this guy over here and you just want to go ahead and begin talking to him just like so. And now we are going to get a bunch of seeds that we can go ahead and purchase. So from here, please go ahead and select on a seed that you guys can afford. So for this video, let's just go ahead and get the carrot seed over here and let's go ahead and purchase some like so. And once you guys are done with that, then all you want to do is you want to go ahead and go back to garden just like so. Then from here, you want to go to your backpack icon and you want to go ahead and locate the carrot seed or the seed that you did purchase. So yep, mine is right over here, the carrot seed. And now all you want to do from here is you want to walk where you actually want to plant your seed. So let's go ahead and plant it right over here. And all you want to do is you want to go ahead and just tap on the floor on like the actual tile or location that you want to begin planting your carrot in. And then as you're able to tell, it is now actually going to begin to grow, which is honestly pretty cool if you do ask me. And it really is that simple. You guys can just do it again. And then when it's done growing, you guys can just go ahead and collect it just like so. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.